All right, well, we are now very close to the action, about 4 minutes.
You wish you were there.
Number 2 from
You wish you were there.
Spain, a former Olympic
No.
swimmer, 4th here last year and 2nd at the Challenge Championship, Sara Perez Sala.
That's a broadcast so far.
Wearing race number 3 from
broadcast.
Brazil, Paula Oliveira.
Hi, Mom and Dad.
Wearing race number 6 from the United States, a 4-time 70.3 champion and the proud mom of daughter Sky, who was born last May.
Ashley's gonna win. Emma's gonna be second. Chelsea's gonna be third.
And there's the gun. And
I already know the result. Why am I even watching it?
Clash Endurance, Miami.
And it's not just a famous place for triathlon, it's a famous place for many sports, and she was over there.
Hopefully I got everything.
Just need bike shoes in your bike.
Yeah, I haven't done a lactate type test in like 8 years. Bringing myself and my bike shoes.
Hi, good, how are you? I'm Paula, this is Eric.
Hey there, how's it going?
Good. You found the place alright?
Yeah.
Only overshot it once.
Oh, you're pretty close. Yeah. Have you done a test like this before? Is this a maximal to
I don't know if
exhaustion for?
Eric has.
But yeah, I've done some testing before for sure.
I coaches a bunch of Olympic athletes, and he just has, like this year, he's having us all do this, so that was just results from another athlete.
Okay.
He sent it just to make sure we were getting the right test and having the right data and all that stuff.
Okay.
He's trying to figure out like our fatmax zones and stuff like that, and lactate. And
Zone, basically like zone 2 or fatmax, ventilator, VT1, VT2.
Right. I've had a lot of people coming in recently who were talking about training in their zone 2 and getting their zone 2.
Yeah. Yeah, he knows all about it. We're trying to learn a little bit.
Yeah.
That's why we have a coach. So
Right.
I'm sure he'll be able to work with what we get.
Right. Okay.
Don't say it out loud, just record it down.
It's a body fat composition test.
It's okay with me.
So we'll be getting a heart rate, a lactate, and an RPE measurement at the end of each 3 minutes.
Okay.
So, possible. A lot of specifically trained people. Very large lung volume. Nice low heart rate. There's a lot of triathletes there as well, and for their triathlons, they just did a bunch of laps in the local pool. Yeah. 45 seconds left there. Had a kid. Good job, Eric. Keep pushing. Keep it up, keep it up, keep it up. Be ready to let down. Alright. Have a cool down pace, cool down pace, cool down pace. Cool down pace.
Sorry. Okay, we're back. We're down at 100.
And your peak lactate? You alright? Freaking good job. Alright.
I got a lot of video.
Is it calibrating?
Yes, sir.
fits.
Yeah. Okay. As long as you feel like it hugs the contours of your face
Yeah.
pretty well. Okay.
Ready for your 100 watts?
Yeah, well, it goes up real quick.
Coming out hot.
Are we starting at 100 for you as well?
Yeah, and I'll go by 25. That's okay. Yeah.
Got the watch. How tall are you? 5'6". Another couple stages out of it. We got 40 seconds left here at this stage. Excellent job. Keep it up, keep it up. Good job, Paula. Still above 90. Keep it up, keep it up, keep it up. We got 20 seconds left of this stage. Good job, way to push. Keep it up, keep it up 90. You're almost there. Still up. Keep it up, keep it up. Alright, done. Oops, sorry. Good job, good job. See your feet. You alright?
Yeah.
Excellent job. You beat that stage. You went past it. 10.3.
All right, we have a special mail delivery Friday. What are we calling it?
What day is today?
Friday.
Doesn't matter.
We're calling it Mail Time Friday.
Oh, it's a new segment. What?
It is our painting from Ruben.
Oh, no way.
Yeah. Ruben Abstract contacted me and said that he wants to make us a painting for our wall. And you might recognize it because I think a lot of other pro triathletes have one of these. But I told him my favorite color, I told him what wall it's going on, and he sent us this all the way from Spain. What?
What wall is it going on?
Well, it kind of depends, either that one or like the front wall. I want it to be like a main piece in our house that everyone can see, you know? So excited! I'm obsessed with trying to make our house look as nice as possible, and this is like just the best thing ever because it's really hard to find nice art for the walls. Oh my god, it's so cool. Oh my gosh. All of the swimmers. That is so cool. It's like a little sparkly. So beautiful. Swimmer 5'10". Flynn, Paula, Eric, March 2022. Ruben is so cool.
Go on, go play. You can leave these on if you want. I've been turning them off and putting a light over here in the corner.
These come from Betty.
Like the pot?
Oh yeah.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Where are you trying to go?
She we need to put her on hold.
Gosh.
You got the real deal.
Yeah, but I'm too lazy to put the real deal together. So I do this.
Nels gave us
This
the
is
big
like
one
the
here
ultimate
now.
lazy man move.
So excited to be back here, guys. Hazel Blue Test Kitchen.
Literally, it's
weeks
going to be a
delayed.
test
Yes.
because I haven't made this before.
Yeah, we make pasta probably like 3 times a week. So I asked Linsey to make a good pasta recipe. She came up with
Kale, pistachio, pesto.
I didn't know
pasta.
about the pistachio.
Yeah. So basically, we're going to just try to switch up the normal, boring, plain Jane recipe and add a little twist.
Yeah,
But yeah, rather than pine nuts, we're going to use pistachios.
that's cool.
And then we're going to throw kale in for extra nutrients.
So it begins.
We're gonna unbegin it real quick.
I guess we did a kale salad last time you were here, and now we're doing kale pesto. But that was a good one. So we're just over here de-ribbing some kale for our pile of...
What would happen if you left the insides in there?
I just think it's like a lot of roughage. The instructions from my sister, who helps me with my recipes, was to de-rib the kale, so we de-ribbed it. But we have pistachios, lemon, pasta, olive oil, Parmesan, garlic, chili flakes, and then kale.
Does it matter what shape of pasta you use?
Well, my sister actually recommended using pasta with a bit of texture because the pesto soaks into the pasta more, whereas spaghetti or fettuccine is really slick, so the sauce kind of just slides right off it.
Yeah.
So she was like, I would do a textured pasta, and she actually used this pasta and it just looked amazing when she did it. So I don't write my own recipes. I come up with the ideas. It's a collaboration with my sister, Dana, who lives in Portland, who actually has written a cookbook and works in the food and wine industry. So we get together once a month.
Oh my gosh.
Very good dog. And come up with ideas. I'll send her a list of I think this sounds good, and she'll send me a list of things she sounds good, and then we just kind of meet in the middle of, I'm like, oh, this sounds really athlete friendly, or this would be something that would be good for people that are short on time, and sort of ticks a lot of the boxes of what I'm looking for. I would say 90% of my recipes are written and tested by my sister, and then she gives them to me, and then I cook them and test them and then put them out for everyone to enjoy. I asked you guys if you had a big training day tomorrow, because we're gonna have carbs and veggies, we have bread, and we're gonna serve it with chicken, so we have some protein.
Oh, wow.
So yeah, we're gonna be geared up for some good training after, and yeah, it's also St. Patrick's Day, so
all green.
The green dinner. Now we're gonna switch burners, you can just leave that on. We're gonna get a big pot of water going, and then on this side here, just rinse it out. We're basically going to cook the garlic in the oil that's gonna go into the pesto all at once.
Does that make it more flavorful?
I think so.
2 Hollis box,
What do you recommend?
Big Sky Brewing Hazy IPA
I could get into that.
with a mayfly on it.
Dude, all right. If you don't want it, I'll have it.
Half a cup of olive oil. Oh, and this
Half
is
a
on.
cup in there.
Yeah.
Damn.
And this is medium low, because it's gonna be all the olive oil that's gonna go in the blender basically
Goes
is
into
going into here, yeah, on low. Okay. But maybe, there you go, you're good.
Healthy fats.
What's going in the pan?
The garlic. So we're just
Garlic and olive
cooking the
oil.
garlic to make it more flavorful.
And then you just smash it to open it.
5 cloves.
Also, everybody at home, feel free to smash the like button.
Like and subscribe.
Don't ever say that.
We've literally never once said
And do not cut your hand open. Yeah, we gotta salt the water. Generously salt it.
With Jacobson
Oh
salt.
wow, I do not use enough salt when I salt water.
Well, support local. We're gonna blanch the kale. It's only gonna go in the pot for 2 minutes. Kale is really rough if you
yeah.
think about it.
Yeah.
And so we're basically gonna take some of that roughage out of it by just doing a super quick cook in the pot.
Okay. And it changes the color too.
This is fun. This is science experiment time.
Kale also just shrinks a lot, doesn't it?
Yeah. Nice, go team.
How many cups?
It's a 1/3 cup. Parmesan.
Heaping 2/3.
The way I cook is like I don't actually usually measure much of anything. I'm just like, throw it in. Oh, we're done.
Quick, get it out. The monster. The olive oil smells so yummy.
Yeah.
Nice.
We're gonna take our olive oil situation and dump that in.
Important stuff.
We're adding chili flakes. Paula said we could go spicy.
A little bit spicy.
Uh-oh.
How many?
I put in a teaspoon, but we're doubling it, so it's, yeah.
Ready? Remember this from last episode?
Of course. One of the meatballs in the face.
See what it cooked down
amazing.
to. Yeah.
Oh.
I think it's good, right?
It's perfect, yeah.
We're stoked on that? All right.
And you're gonna put the pasta water in as well.
With yours.
On the chicken. Yeah.
Wow, that does look so good.
This will be Eric's bowl.
Just in case.
It's so good.
Yeah, it's super good.
It's so amazing. Make it right now. And it only took like probably 30 minutes, I'd say.
Yeah, the hard part is boiling the water.